Okay, so at the traffic lights, turn left. And I believe it's the second road on the right, second or third. So look at how narrow your lanes are. Look at where you'd need to stop. Treat the keep clear as a box junction.
Yes,
In my
so don't
mind,
go on.
I treat them as a, oh yeah, and look out for him as well. Continue following the road ahead, and I believe it's the second road on the right, the third road on the right. It's where them green lights are. It's where the cyclist is going. That was okay. Could have positioned a little bit better going in. So perhaps positioning earlier. You can tell he's late for school.
School resumed.
His workplace, school, college, or something, something that he's late for. Because I wouldn't walk in front. But be careful, watch her. She's not looking at you. She's looking to her right because cars will approach her from her right, but she's not looking to her left. And at that moment in time, we were in her blind spot. What would you need to do if she pulled out? Yeah, and more than likely, what else would you need to do? So,
Stop.
yes. Horn is excellent if you think that you're in imminent danger, but you'd have to stop the car. So it's very important. Quick glance in your rear view mirror, because you're in control. You can see her, she can't see you. At the end of the road, turn left. Just so we're in agreement, what's the speed limit here? Yeah. Tell me when you see a speed limit change. I know it sounds silly that. I just need to know that you understand not to speed and get a ticket and fairly test. That was good, well done, well spotted. At the traffic lights, turn left.